We're on page 681, and number 1 is asking the height of an equilateral triangle is 15. How long are the sides of the triangle? So best bet when doing a problem like this is to draw a picture. So on the next slide here, let's go ahead and draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means that all sides are equal. And they say that the height of this triangle is 15. So is the height of this triangle here? No. Is the height here? No. How do you make the height of a triangle if none of its sides are perpendicular? You cut it in half. You draw a perpendicular line coming down from the top vertex. So this line comes straight down. It cuts this triangle in half. That red line is 15. All right? That's our 15 height. So what we just did is we took a 60, 60, 60 triangle and turned it into two 30, 60, 90s, where this top angle is now split into 30, 30. And here's our 90s there. So now that we have the 30, 60, 90 right triangles, we can go ahead and find the hypotenuse and the base by using that small, medium, large technique from yesterday. Right? When we had the small drink, it was A. The largest side is 2A, and those are back on the backboard there. 2A, while the medium side was A root 3. In this triangle, which side do we know? Small, medium, or large? We know the small, medium, or large. We know the medium one is 15. So let's go back to our chart from yesterday and put a 15 in the middle for the medium. This is the toughest of the things that you need to find when doing a problem like this. If they told us that this was 15, how would we get the medium? It'd be 15 root 3, and the large would be 30. Okay? But that's not what they gave us. They told us that the medium is 15, so how do you backtrack and find the small? You divide by the square root of 3. Okay? And when you divide by the square root of 3, I'm going to require you to rationalize the denominator. And that means multiply top and bottom by the denominator that you're trying to get rid of. We don't want the square root of 3, so we multiply by it. When you don't want something, you give it another one, and it'll kind of cancel itself out. Because root 3 times root 3 is 3. 15 times root 3 is what I just said. We can take it one more step, because 15 divided by 3 is 5. So it ends up being 5 root 3. That's your small side. So let's go ahead and draw that on the picture right there. That wasn't what the question asked. They didn't say, what's the small side of the right triangle you made? They said, what's the length of each side of the original triangle? Well, then they're asking us for the large side of this right triangle. And if the small is 5 root 3, the large is 10 root 3. That's the answer. That's the length of each blue side that I just drew.